Chichi and I, and most of the Your Miss Choice who won the local election in Manila have been proclaimed. So let me take this opportunity na magpasalamat ulit at walang hanggang pasasalamat sa aking mga minamahal na lolo at lola. I love you. Mga nanay at tatay natin na senior citizen at siyempre yung ating mga batang Manila for the overwhelming support. And I hope this is just a start of our journey together, the people and the government works hand in hand to have a better city of London. Samahan niyo po kami. Umpisa pa lang po ito. For the meantime, in the next few days, Chichi and I and the newly elected members of the City Council will meet in preparation of plans that we promise to our people. So, yun. Second, 26 hours.
Second po,
Baliwala yung hintay namin 26 hours. 3 years na din tayo. Ang taong bayan. So yung paghintay namin 26 hours, mali pa tayo. But when I said start, we should start healing ourselves. Simply because maraming mga masasakit na salita na naibato sa aming mga leader, sa amin, ni Chichi, ako, and all other things. But again and again, I just wanted to lead the city with no hatred among each other. I think we should come up with any way of art of random kindness sa ating isang sa isa't isa. Mas gusto ko yung bati-bati na lang tayo. At the end of the day, tayo rin naman mga batang Maynila makikita sa kanya. And those people who comes in and out of the city. So, we have an obligation to do in coming 6 weeks. We will prepare and I think we need to do what we have to do for the people of Manila. So that's why gusto ko, we start from healing. Bati-bati na tayo. Ako, okay na ako. Nasaktan kami, don't get me wrong. Emotionally, psychologically, we were hurt. But the people overwhelmingly spoke. That we respect, and I think that's good enough vindication for Chichi and I and the entire group. So we are very grateful about it, and we start moving on, and we move forward, and hopefully with the help of our people, we move fast to recover. Babalik ang kaligalasan, kalinisan, peace and order situation of the city, kapanatagan ng pamumuhay. And Chichi leading the City Council, presiding over the session, will come up with her idea with regard to how to deliver the livelihood program that she promised to the city, and we will have. Now I'm reaching out. I'm reaching out, and if there is a chance, of course.
Yeah.
Why? You know, at the end of the day, they're going to be the citizen of the city. And I am obliged to, do service for them.
So,
And that's the job.
Yorme, dati nyo rin pong naging vice mayor
Yes.
si Dr. Hani Lacuna. So, she conceded already. You are asking, you actually said, she conceded already. She did. And then you are also calling for healing. So, apart from this reaching out, will there be any other efforts to reach out exactly to her para talagang mas maging unified ang buong Maynila?
Thank you, Maris, for asking such a question. Yes, we are. course, I did it before. I mean, many times. Even with the former President Joseph Vera Estrada, even to the point, Mayor Lim. In fact, not only that we reach out, may tinanong pa nga ako kay Mayor Lim yun. Paano mariresolve yung peace and order. Humingi pa ako ng tip. But in this case, of course, we will do so. If we were allowed to be there. Every time ako, alam mo, marami na akong baldog sa buhay. Marami na akong bakokon sa paa dahil sa pagkakataon sa buhay. Maraming tapanan, maraming stumbling blocks. But at the end of the day, I think we should continue to value ang pagpapalaga sa nakaraan. At pagpapalaga, hindi pa pagpapalaga sa atin. Yes, I will.
Ano ang pakiramdam na magbabalik kayo sa Maynila bilang mayor?
Excited, but I know it's gonna be challenging because it's like doing it again. Parang back to zero. But to the people who are watching, at sa aking mga kababayan, kung manatag kayo, I'll do my best.
So your mayor,
Bring back certainty, order, and in our city.
you're expecting smooth transition.
I am. Well, that's what I did in the past. I mean, and even my predecessor, that's what they did. I think that's the norm. That's the normal way to do it, so that we can move on. Kasi, this is not about us anymore.
It's
It's
about
about the people.
Manila.
So, if we really love our people, that we owe to serve, I think that's the only way to start and begin the journey of the city of Manila and the people who live in the city.
Mayor,
No, thank you mga taga-Tondo ha. Nirequest ko lang manalo eh. Ginawa niyo pang number. I'm really grateful and happy for him. And I told him, naku na, yari ka. They say talagang now you're given a chance. You have to prove yourself. Well, I hope. Kasi sabi ko nga sa kanya, anak, basta matuturuan kita kung paano matulungan. Pero hindi ko kayang ituro sa'yo kung paano magmalasakit sa tao. Because it is you
Within.
as a person. In you. Innate. Ay na naman. Away yun eh. Ano siya, ano ang puso rin niya eh.
Baba.
Madali siyang matap sa sitwasyon ng tao. And I'm happy because that's a good start. Kasi if you're sympathetic and what you call empathic, sa katayuan ng tao, that's a good start of governance. Kasi lagi yan nahabulin ka at the back of your mind. What is your purpose being in public? So I'm excited and happy for you. Congratulations, Joaquin.
Mayor, unang lilinisin sa Maynila, sa Kaluma.
Ayun, rito. Anan, kanto nila. Lahat ng kanto rito sa Maynila. Tampak talaga. I mean, total tapos naman na ang kampanya. We will just be realistic. I'll do my best. I hope the two contractors or garbage collection will have a different approach under our administration. At hindi ako mangingimi kung ano man yung mangyayari sa kanila pag hindi sila nag-okay. Because kapakanan ng taong bayan kung pinag-uusapan nito, hindi negosyo nila. It's sanidad ng tao. At ang sanidad ay issue ng mahirap, ng middle class at ngayon. Dahil ang sanidad ay nagdudulot ang sakit at ang sakit na dulot ito, walang pinipiling katayuan sa ito. So, they have to catch up under my watch. But for the meantime, I will let Mayor Hani Lacuna do her job for the remainder of, I think, 6 weeks. Kasi siya naman family. Ang mga bata, huwag niyo muna akong message sa cancellation ng classes. Hindi pa po ako mayor elect pa lang. Kasi marami akong na-receive na yung tawag dito, Yorme, may pasok pa bukas. Hello mga estudyante, mag-ingat kayo. I love you. I'll see you soon.
Kay Vice Mayor Chi, ina-expect mo ba na ganun kalaki yung makukuha mo number?
When I entered this, the only thing that I had in my mind is to bring back hope in people's lives. I didn't even think of ending. Hindi ko inisip na importante ko kasi sa akin. So, paano nandun at hawak ko ang broken sense of love at napaalala ko para sa Volga. So, in terms of yung tanong mo, to answer that, to be honest, I did not expect anything. And I was just happy. It's a journey ko sa kanya. And I'm happy because nakikita ko na kahit paano nabubuhayan ng mga tao dun sa mga nasabi ko. And huwag silang galawa. Dahil kung ano mga pinako namin ni Yorme, gagawin namin yan.
It's very
How open are you as reciting books and to take all of those suggestions so you can craft good ordinances? How open are you to like brainstorming and getting various ideas regardless of party lines para makatulong
Sige ulit. Councilor for 3 District. Doon isip. Pamela Bugoso, Maria Atienza. Paul Sarkal. Karen Chua. Captain Ryan.
Pasensya na kayo, pinabigay ko. See you. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.